Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your bank account onto your Spendee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in spendee.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Spendee website. Click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed with logging into your account using your credentials or your Facebook or Google account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your dashboard. Now, if you haven't already connected your bank account, you will find the Connect a Bank Account option at the homepage. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked to choose your country. Click on the country drop-down menu, and then choose your country. Then from the bank or e-wallet section, click on the drop-down menu and then enter your bank. After choosing your bank or e-wallet, click on the Continue button, and you will be asked to enter the information about your bank details. You can also find this setting by clicking on your account icon at the top right corner and then clicking on Settings. You will then find Connected Bank Accounts, which you can click on and then click on Connect an Account. After filling up all of the necessary forms and credentials, your account will be connected onto your Spendee account right away. And now your budgeting can be managed right from the dashboard page, as all of your balances will now be visible on your Spendee account. And there you have it. That is how you can connect your bank account onto your Spendee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.